Welcome everyone on my second video. Today I'm gonna review Coinbase registration process, deposits, trades and fees. Before we start, just bear in mind it's not a financial advice, it's only my private opinion. International cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase was launched in 2012 in San Francisco. During one day, most of the time Coinbase volume hits over $500 million. It's the biggest and most popular exchange in USA and one of the most secure, professional and friendly platform with a lot of amenities. It's also a cryptocurrency exchange with the highest number of new users from many countries around the world. Coinbase provides two types of accounts, one for private use and second for companies. For all use, you can select between dollars, euro and pounds. Each new user after first purchase for 100 bucks or more will get another $10 as a bonus. Two-step login verification and security systems for sure are one of the safest. Additional, except mailing to customer service, you can just give them a call. Account can be used by the website and by dedicated mobile application. To use, we have to register and verify new account. Directly linked to registration form is located under this video. At the beginning, we can select company or private use option. Next, we'll be asked to read all terms and conditions. Additional optional notification option. If you want to get any updates, just press yes. Later on, we have to add correct telephone number and short code received just a few seconds before after filling previously step. At the end of this part, we'll get an email with confirmation link. Just after, we can see our personal details section. Coinbase is an official and registered institution. This is why we have to go through fully personal verification process. Finally, at the end we have to add ID, passport or driving license scan. This is extremely important to make sure all files are high qualities. Otherwise, we will have to do it one more time. All steps complete. Congratulations then! Within 1 hour everything should be verified by Coinbase crew. Short email and notification will mean everything is done. Since now, we are able to use all options, including withdrawals and deposits. If you are one of the USA resident, you can also order a plastic card to process your regular card payments. I can recommend to set up two-step authorization. To do it, click Security and Enable. In any case of problems with configuration, my another video will explain you more. To buy any cryptocurrencies, we have to deposit funds first. Click Dashboard, scroll down and add a payment. Here you can select between bank transfer and Visa or MasterCard payment. This is a moment worth to mention all transactions including fee. Fully fees list will be placed under this video. Cards deposits are almost immediately. Bank transfer needs up to 1 day. To trade, we can move to buy and sell, where we can select available cryptocurrencies, select amount, see all details, fees, and press buy if everything is fine. Transaction will be realized immediately. Unlike to sell, easiest way is to press sell, fill everything and finalize. Whole platform operating is extremely easy. By clicking accounts, we can check all balances. As well, we are able to withdraw and deposit cryptocurrencies in this place. Coinbase is proud of first bonus program. You will get $10 extra as a bonus for purchase over $100. Additional, you will get another $10 for each recommended person if this person did over $100 trade. For sure everyone enjoyed. In meantime, you can check all extras in tools section. Additional, my second video will let you know where to store cryptos and how to make sure everything is safe. In general, all technical matters are behind us. Don't forget, you can trade 24 hours per day, 7 days per week for a whole year. You can withdraw your funds anytime without limits. And finally, you can manage your funds as you want, when you want and from where you want. If you enjoy it, I will be happy with your like or comment. I would like to keep this channel useful. Maybe more people will have easier life with blockchain beginning. At the end, sorry for my all language mistakes. Good luck!